Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Tailwind for LinkedIn hashtag research, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Tailwind website. Log in or create an account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, locate the LinkedIn integration option. Click on the LinkedIn icon to start the authentication process. A new window will prompt you to enter your LinkedIn credentials. Fill in your LinkedIn username and password in the provided fields. Next, click the Sign In button to proceed. You may be asked to authorize Tailwind to access your LinkedIn account. Review the permissions requested by Tailwind carefully. If you agree, click the Allow button to grant access. After granting access, return to the Tailwind dashboard. You should now see that LinkedIn is successfully linked in your Tailwind account. Now, navigate to the hashtag research section within Tailwind. Enter your target hashtag in the search bar. Tailwind will then provide analytics and related hashtags for your research. Take note of the data to inform your LinkedIn strategy. Remember to regularly check for new hashtags and trends to stay updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.